gonna get some filming in today, have a good time, look at some cool cars. I got that official for you, exclusive. Little peekaboo shot. Hey, yeah, we about to do it. What's up, YouTube? So I promised you a car. It's a badass car. That's my buddy's 2007 twin turbo 335. And guess what? Look at that thing. You young people don't know what that is, but that's a 6-speed manual transmission and an M steering wheel. Can y'all see that? Phenomenal. So follow my boy at Bootstrap. We in here. Let's get this going. So that's two-step, y'all. So it's JB4 with MHD. Help me out with some of the mods, Ree. So it's got VRS downpipes. Yep.
AUTOWERKE front mount.
AUTOWERKE front mount in the cooler.
BMS dual coil intakes.
Yep, dual coil intakes. DCI drop-ins. Y'all familiar with those?
What else we got?
E85 partial. We ain't gonna give y'all all the mods. We'll give y'all a little bit.
Sequential, HK sequential.
HK, yep.
CHARGPIPE.
Already.
Forgot.
It sounds phenomenal. I don't know if we put a camera on the front, but we should be able to pick up with some turbo noise. Going over little tracks right now, y'all.
Got no lift shift.
No lift shift, baby.
Launch control. We do a second and third, no lift.
So that was a small pull, no traction. This thing is phenomenal. Oh my gosh, my heart is in my stomach right now. And in case you're wondering, yeah, y'all know, like, I have the same car, completely different animal. I have the automatic. It's not good, you guys. It's not good. I want a 6-speed manual transmission. God forbid, like, it goes out today or tomorrow, I'm gonna steal this one. He don't know it yet. But so this car actually came with it's a 2007. It came with, I don't know if you can see this, but it came with the heated seats. It has the rear curtain in the back. He has a premium sound system, which I'm so jealous of because it sounds so good. I have the very, very basic sound system, but this thing has subs. I mean, the bass. Can y'all hear that? I hope y'all can hear that. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. So that's the burble on the JB4 or the MHD app.
Yeah, set to aggressive, so.
Set to aggressive.
It's aggressive like 4 seconds.
Yep, because that's how we like it. Aggressive.
I love it, man.
It gets you every time. So yes.
The METH keeps saying 8 pounds of boost.
Yes. So 8 pounds of boost. METH is fully on. So is that 100%? Like 100% flow on E85? Or you said how? What is it? 8 pounds of boost?
8 pounds of boost.
Which is incredible. That's insane.
I got it set to the oil temp gauge, so you can check the oil temp gauge out.
Okay, so let's
when it's in boost.
Turn around, look at that, so you can show you guys.
Big slow down a little bit in a second. As it hits boost, you'll see it kick in. Watch.
Yes. Yeah, it's strong, for real.
07, you know, right.
Yeah, 07, this is the first year that BMW released this body style. I think it was a year before where they came out with the twin turbo V6 engine, but for this body style, they killed it. I mean, the lines you'll see on the walk around, the lines and everything are just seamless. And actually, I never want to admit this, but I had an M3 before, And my boy went and bought this car, and I said the hell with the M3. It was an E36, and I went and got the 335 just because, one, the body styling is, again, it's incredible. It's sharp where it needs to be and smooth where it needs to be, and everything just flows. The aerodynamics of it all is just a beautiful, like, well, like, rounded car. It's amazing.
I love it, man.
Yeah.
No
So
complaints about it. Handles great on the Super Sport.
the Super
Michelins.
Yeah, oh yeah, Michelin Pilot Super Sport. Shout out Michelin. Like, we're gonna start plugging y'all stuff. We need some free tires though. This stuff ain't cheap, you know what I mean? So I don't know if you can hear the blow-off valve, but it's the HKS Super Sequential blow-off valve.
Yeah. What did I miss? I miss anything? Intakes, front mount. Don't have any inlets or anything like that.
No inlets, so inlets and outlets will probably be next if the turbo doesn't come first. So so we're already thinking about singles. This car is running the stock exhaust, which it gives a nice sound. Of course, it could always be louder, but it still sounds so aggressive when you're in the throttle. I mean, it's just, and it's quiet when it needs to be, which is one of the bonuses for keeping the stock exhaust. But
I like it.
yeah,
You know why it sounds the way it does.
yeah, absolutely.
See the video?
Yeah, check it.
It's been around a little bit on Instagram.
Oh yeah, definitely. So, oh yes, you guys probably have noticed this car. If you're a BMW guy or just a car guy in general, a lot of people's Instagram pages showing the two-step and just sounding amazing and actually clearing out the cats. I mean, what, like, phenomenal time. You had no idea that was gonna happen.
No idea it was gonna happen like that.
Yeah, and you just see like the fire and the sparks, and we'll put a little plug in there. We'll direct you to my buddy's page. It's at boost_struck, so you can go there and see that the two-step is insane. But yeah, this car is a monster, man. And I think you've owned it for how long now?
It's going on 4 years.
Going on 4 years, and it's pretty much
getting rid of cars by then, but
oh yeah.
I like this one.
Exactly. That's how you know we like it. Oh, it's also it's on K Sport coilovers, which ride really good. The 36-way adjustables. Yeah. So I mean, which it sounds good, but it's intimidating as hell because there's so many adjustments. But we trying to like, oh God, get it dialed in. Shout out Michelin again. We're gonna need some tires soon, so hook us up. You know.
So analyze real quick.
Yeah. So
that works.
We'll do a quick analog. So the way analog works is you kind of set it up to the RPM.
Hold the volume button down.
Hold the volume button down.
Show how it looks.
And then let me turn the camera around so you guys can see.
Hold the volume button down, floor. Get a little jump.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but after the analog, after he releases the volume down button, is it? And the boost spools to a certain point, he lets the volume button down go, and the car just flies. I mean, at that point, it's fully in boost. It's ready to go. Like, it's pretty much no holds bar. Like, it's all the way on. So be prepared. If you got an old crap handle, you may want to grab it because it's about to go down. So and then Okay.
Too, saying that I don't need. There's no point of any lag on a stock turbo car.
Yeah, which makes no sense at all. Because if you understand how analog works, it's only beneficial for you to have full power on tap when you're ready to go and not have the potential for lag or whatever. You just make sure you launch at the maximum PSI that you wanna actually launch at. So
in the next video should have some different tires.
oh yeah. We're gonna put some stickies on there. Apparently you may even see, now you guys wait for this, you may even see a race between X5M and my buddy's 235. So my boy Dudley has a beautiful X5M that we'll get to later. We're gonna do a review on that later in the year. But yes, guys, this car is like,
you got two cars we're coming for.
the two cars, an X5M and an Evo. But back to this beast. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we like fully equipped right now. We have GoPros everywhere, and we're just trying to get like the best footage for you guys and the best sound. So what else? So this car also came with the premium sound system, the curtain, heated seats.
I've got what's the name? The Comfort access.
Comfort access. Oh Lord, hold up, y'all. Let me tell y'all about this comfort access. I do not have comfort access. It is a pain in the butt. Like, not really, like first world problems for real, but it's a pain when you have to walk up to your car and then click the button. Comfort access, you guys know it comes on a lot of cars standard nowadays, but allow you to have the key on your persons and then walk up to the door and open it up without actually unlocking it, so it recognizes that you're near. But anyway, so we're concluding the beast at Boost_struck, y'all, for this monstrous car. You'll see it on his Instagram page, but check him out. And again, thanks for subscribing. See you next time.